Welcome to GBYTE Repair, an all-in-one iOS repair solution designed to fix common iPhone system issues quickly, safely, and without data loss. In this video, we'll take a complete tour of the website and explore all the features GBYTE has to offer. Starting on the homepage, you'll immediately notice the clean and modern interface. At the top, you'll find quick navigation for products, solutions, support, pricing, sign in, and the free download button. The home page highlights GBYTE iOS System Repair, capable of fixing more than 150 iPhone system issues, including Apple logo loops, black screens, recovery mode problems, boot loops, update failures, and much more. Opening the Products menu reveals GBYTE's complete toolkit. Users can access data recovery, system repair, screen unlock, data transfer, and phone backup. Each tool focuses on a different aspect of iPhone management, making GBYTE a complete solution rather than just a repair utility. The Solutions section provides recovery options for different types of data. Whether you need to recover photos, videos, messages, WhatsApp chats, Messenger conversations, or line data, GBYTE organizes everything into dedicated recovery categories for easier access. The Support menu offers several helpful resources, including the user guide, video tutorials, blog, and frequently asked questions. These resources help users learn the software and troubleshoot common problems before starting a repair. Scrolling down, we reach one of GBYTE's most popular features. With just one click, users can instantly enter or exit recovery mode without complicated button combinations or using iTunes. The side-by-side comparison clearly demonstrates how much easier this method is compared to traditional recovery procedures. The comparison table highlights the major advantages of GBYTE Repair. It provides faster repair times, protects user data, requires no technical knowledge, supports more repair scenarios, offers broad compatibility, includes 24/7 support, and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's designed to make iPhone repair simple for everyone. Next, the website introduces 3 intelligent repair modes. Standard Repair fixes common system problems while preserving your data. Deep Repair targets more advanced software issues that require a deeper system repair. DFU Repair is designed for severe system failures where advanced recovery methods are necessary. This flexibility allows users to choose the repair option that best matches their situation. The repair workflow is simple and beginner-friendly. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. Next, choose the appropriate repair mode and download the required firmware. Finally, start the repair process and let GBYTE automatically repair your device without complicated manual procedures. The Compatibility section lists supported iPhone models, supported iOS versions, Windows compatibility, language support, system requirements, and the wide range of repair scenarios covered by the software. This allows users to confirm compatibility before downloading. Further down the page, GBYTE showcases its performance with impressive statistics. The software supports over 150 system issues, has repaired more than 1 million devices worldwide, offers an average repair time of around 10 minutes, and maintains an excellent repair success rate. Clicking the free download button takes users to the download page. Here, simple installation instructions explain how to install the software, connect an iPhone, and begin the repair process in just a few steps. This makes getting started fast and straightforward. The pricing page presents several subscription options, including monthly, annual, and lifetime plans. Each plan includes access to powerful repair features, support for over 150 iOS system issues, one-click recovery mode, compatibility with the latest iPhone models, technical support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. This allows users to choose the plan that best fits their needs. The footer also provides quick access to products, solutions, support resources, company information, policies, payment methods, and additional navigation links. Everything is organized clearly, making the website easy to explore. Overall, GBYTE Repair offers a clean website, an easy-to-follow interface, and a comprehensive collection of iPhone repair tools. Thanks for watching.